Okay, we're recording, so this is going to be an Illustrator tutorial, and it's basically going to be on see these oops, how you get these inconsistencies in your shapes. These are because you have paths that are not closed, right? So when you don't have a path that's closed, you get these weird, see, like if I take this anchor point, and because see, this shape is not closed, okay? So if I take this anchor point and bring it way up here, see there's like, it's crisscrossing, and this path is way, going down here, it's crisscrossing, right? Okay, so let's get to the bottom of that. Okay, first go to view, go to outline. So here's your actual shape, right? You can see it, and you can see that this isn't joined. So what you're getting is, you're getting all these weird things. Okay, so go to outline. You're going to want to zoom into it, okay? You're going to pick this is pretty simple, but for you guys that don't know it, it's going to help. So you click on your two anchor points, right? You're going to click on both of them. You're going to go to Object, Path. You're going to average them first on your axis, on both horizontal and vertical axis. Now that's going to bring them together. They're still not connected though. See, it's still an anchor point. Go to Path, Join. Okay, now they're joined. Now when you go to View and Preview, you got your shape, right? And it's a solid shape. There's no mess. So yeah, that's how you clean that up. You can see now, like I said, you got a solid shape over here. You got your compound path. Uh, that's in your appearance panel. So yeah, cool. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed.